Hey guys, how you doing? Hey, I just want to report this news to you. Sacramento Church wants to build a cell tower disguised as a bell tower. It's a historical church to add a 50-foot tall bell tower in its property. That won't work. So basically, it's a cellular tower that they negotiated with Verizon Wireless. It's disguised as a bell tower. So they said that they feel like they'll get a better reception. And it says at the Parkside Community Church in South Lake Power, the city approves this cell tower, and so it looks like a bell tower with a cross and everything, but it's an actual cellular tower. And so instead of the bells redemption, it'd be the bells of radiation. I'm just joking. So anyways, this is kind of interesting. What do you think on that? More to make regarding this.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.